Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add a photo to your album on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to view your photo collections. Next, select Albums at the top to see all your albums. Choose the specific album you want by clicking on its title. Once you're in the album, tap on Add Photo Video to upload a new photo or video to the album. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your album on Facebook by adding new photos or videos to share with your friends and followers. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a photo to your album on Facebook. Customize your albums with new content to keep your audience engaged and connected. Explore these steps to personalize your albums and share your memorable moments with the world.